Hey everyone, I wanted to take a second to give everybody a sneak peek into the latest feature for the AI SDR. We call it EI, but now it will be able to double to potentially triple the amount of meetings it's providing for a weekly basis. It's even driving a new offer for us that if you don't double the meetings on your calendar within 45 days, we will rebuild it and launch it and extend that launch for free. This is amazing. It's researching all the leads on their LinkedIn, company's LinkedIn, and the company website. Posts everything. And all of these messages are 100% bespoke, custom to that person, what they like, what they want. This has been something huge. We've been working on it for a very long time. And we haven't even made any media around it because software is software. You have to debug it. You have to make sure it works right. This is the first piece of media to go out and you guys get to see it. So I just want to show you really quick how it works, right? And we'll do A/B with these two partners of ours to show you that it's a completely different email. Same structure, hits the same way, but it's a completely different email. So I want to show you now. You guys are probably familiar with the interface for Revive. Let's just say we'll use these two contacts. You'll be able to do these two contacts, or you'll be able to do 1,000 or 2,000 or whatever it is. Right? You'll go here. Let me move myself around here. And then we'll go to tags and it'll be the tag for this. This is brand new. We probably make a tag that says Eli V2 or something. So let's just go ahead and say Eli V2. But in my system right now, as I'm done with this release, I'm giddy about this. This is so exciting. I'm excited for you guys. I'm excited for us because the tech that we make here at Revive, we always give to you. So PPB is the code name right now. And we'll go ahead and dismiss that, let it do its thing. What's happening is this agent is scraping through all the LinkedIns for their personal LinkedIn, their company LinkedIn. They're Googling the company, provide context, and then write this email that I'm about to show you. For the first one is Carousel, sorry. Business territory manager for a company now she's a spinal implant sales specialist, Joy Max. She's been in sales for about 30 years now. She's awesome. So what the agent is going to do is going to research all of her posts, everything in there about her top headline. She doesn't have a lot there to go off of, but it's going to review everything. And then it's going to jump over to the company profile. It's going to pick up any sort of current events for the company, new events. That's one of the best things to include in your emails. And then it's going to jump over to the company, just like I'm doing now. It's going to pick apart certain things. And just like you get a sales trainer that will come in and train an enterprise team for $100,000, whatever it may be, it's using that exact framework to create these emails, to pull things off these resources to create these pieces of mail. They'll be delivered right into their primary box with great subject line too, so I'll show you that later. The next candidate is John. He is a President's Club account executive over at Genesis, huge tech company. They specialize in customer experience. They do $2 billion last year. I've done a little bit of research because I've been testing this, obviously. So about $2 billion last year. Goes through his his headlines, giving a lot of detail there. So the bot's going to pick up on all that and all of his posts and everything. And then, of course, it's the same thing, right? It's going to jump over to the LinkedIn of the company. Any sort of new posts here. You see there's Cloud AI here, and they have the Ferrari F1 type of initiatives there. So it's going to read that, and then it's going to go to the website, and then also Google too. It's going to scrape Google and figure out everything it has on this contact to make the email as impactful as possible. Now that we've given enough time, it takes about 40 seconds for the agent to write each email. An email that would typically take, let's say, I don't know, typically would take 15 to 30 minutes potentially. And it's landed right here in my inbox. We'll go through the first one. This looks like CX. I have it coming to my inbox to test it, right? Because I don't want to send them an email. You wouldn't even be able to see it unless I went to my sent. And this is one for Jonathan. It says, Jonathan with Genesis, Cloud CX consistently pushing the boundaries of experience orchestration. I kept wondering, how are teams like yours speeding up tangible CX outcomes without learning more manual ops, without leaning on manual ops? So it's hinting at let's get away from the manual operations, right? Let's let something else kind of fill that gap. We've seen enterprise AE teams get stuck in the gap between strategic planning and actual pipeline momentum, especially when customer-facing cycles stretch out. At Revive, we built a lean AI kit that doubles sales meetings in 45 days, or we rebuild and extend at no cost. We pair human-first AI with industrial-grade workflows, your language, I'm sure, pick up on that a little bit, to accelerate production-level CX conversations without dragging your teams down. Happy to send a 3-minute Loom video for examples. P.S. The 2.1 billion ARR from Cloud CX is unreal. Can't imagine what first year of 2027 looks like. So that was completely made for John. And then there's Kara. Saw the Elysis rollout, an impressive blend of precision and innovation. I imagine it opened new angles for clinical conversations, but also added pressure to stand out in a crowded space. A fellow sales manager I work with in surgical tech firm faced similar traction issues post-launch. Helped them automate top funnel lead flow and double qualified meetings in 45 days with Revive Sales AI Kit. It's built to support managers like you, high velocity outreach, smart segmentation, pre-trained AI that speaks your customer's language. If it doesn't deliver, we rebuild and extend for free. You can see the AI actually picked apart that offer, the 45 days here, and then put in rebuild for free where it made sense, while it's still engaging and making relevant messages. This is great. Happy to send you over a PDF with examples from similar territory and a quick audit of outline potential levers for day one. P.S. Anyone who can coach a team while navigating evolving surgeon demands has my respect. That completely for them. This is going to unlock all new potential when it comes to cold outreach, especially those B tier clients or contacts that you thought were no longer qualified, or they're going cold, or may just want to have this running in tangent with their LinkedIn engagement or cold calls. Either way, this is going to be so. Even if you just let the system run by itself, you don't cold call, and you let the LinkedIn automation and everything do what it does for you guys, this is going to be so powerful. It's incredible. I'm excited. We're about to launch this in production for Revive. If you're interested, just go ahead and give me a contact back and we'll get you all set up. If you're going to be a new customer here, then go ahead and check out the Revive page, revivebusiness.io/sales-ai-team. And you can check us all out here. You can log in here too. So I look forward to this rollout. And if you need anything, you can contact me whenever you like. All right, talk soon.